Yeah. Sit down there.
New flavor Twizzlers. The
What
vines.
is this?
The
Oh
vines.
no!
Oh,
Listen,
and I'm telling you, Matt, they are good.
I have lost weight, and this is not helping me. Oh, they're orange cream pop.
Orange cream. They are supposed to be just so good.
Well, I've been eating low sugar, low carb, man. I've lost some weight. Watch out. You know,
Man, I could take this right on out here.
you could. You know.
Hey, Roy said when the King Air said, just start the engines, I'll fly all the way to Valdosta, and I won't talk to nobody.
Just start flipping switches, and it's all, you know, hit the autopilot. It's fine.
Let me get a picture of you.
Okay, yeah.
You ready to take a look at it?
Watch
now?
out now. You want my hand on the yoke here?
Of course.
Where's my scarf?
Yeah, I'm trying to find. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Here we go, Matt. Ready? All right, here we go. Did it take?
You got the flash on.
One more. Okay, good.
All right. You betcha.
And what I'm going to do is step back here and take a picture from back here, okay?
We'll have her take our picture, one of the flight attendants there.
Well, they look like
No, they're not. They don't do shit.
I don't want to. I want to get out of here before they start going.
Ah, you got plenty of time for that.
Huh? Here you go, man. Take a look at me now. All right. One more. Okay.
Have her take our picture. Give her attention. You don't see the captain over there, do you? No. Here, you sit down. You sit down. I'll get her. Yeah, there you go.
Of course.
It's this right. Oh, I'm gonna have to take y'all. Oh,
You
okay.
take it. You take it out this next leg.
I'm gonna take the next leg.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Maybe one more with it.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
Do you want to put that captain hat on?
No. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I ask for the in time and who landed because they didn't
Oh.
get that information?
Yeah, you got it. In time. It's still on here. No, hold on. I printed it out.
Okay.
I don't know why that didn't send. In time is 2321.
Kita from Vesna. In time 2321.
And
Is that Zoom time?
yeah.
2321. Landed.
That bow's landing.
The first officer landed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me know when you're ready to go down.
I'm going to be in just a.
minute.
Yeah, you're going to start boarding, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you? She say you landed this coming down, or you take your leg going back?
I landed this coming down. Normally this is automatic. It sends automatic from the computer, but sometimes it doesn't work, so I don't know why she needed it manual. But now, whatever. What AM radio station do you listen to down here? Or do you?
92.7.
Now that's FM. What do you listen to anything on
Oh.
the AM?
Yeah, 550, which is all about investments. It's a guy that lives here, and he is just fantastic with investment.
143 causing delays southbound from University to the 10. Surprisingly, not seeing
They're doing traffic.
So you come here and then go to Seattle, then you go to Boston, I believe.
Salt Lake
Salt Lake.
for the overnight.
Okay, and then you're back home.
Yeah, I get to sleep in tomorrow. Don't have no kids waking me up. So you need to do some homework.
This weekend has been great NASCAR racing.
NASCAR racing.
Well, the Indy 500s and two other NASCAR races. It's going to be a heck of a weekend. All right, I'm getting out here, Matt. It's good to see you, man.
It's good to see you, Pops. You want one of these? I'm gonna open it.
What is that? Yeah, give me one little, just a little teeny bite.
Gotta lay off this sugar.
I know, but I know you like it.
I do like them. Trying not to.
There you go. Just give me a little bite. Yeah, I just want to try
Throw
that
that one out of there, I guess. They're hot and gooey. They're sitting in your car.
All right, man. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, Pops. It's good to see you. Thanks for coming down.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I really did. I always like coming out here. It's easy.
Yeah,
It's
airplanes.
easy for me.
Airplanes.
I know. Take care, man.
All right, dude. Later.